Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing review time. Today I'm going to bring you It's a Watchman. Now let's open the box and have more details. The first size we can see this is a monument for this model NF9190. We will provide you a manual book there with 8 kinds of languages. The next one is the guarantee card. We will provide you 1 year guarantee. And now is our watch. This time I bring you is the blue one. This is a multifunctional chronographic LED digital main watch. Please note that this is a main watch. This time the special is we add the crystal diamond elements into the main watch. Let's see here. There, the indices we use crystal diamonds to make into the indices, and also in the watch specials we have 48 bright diamonds on it. Is this watch so cool? We said it is the multifunctional watch. When we push these buttons, we can see this is a very bright light here. Whatever you in any way or any time, it's very clear to see the time. And press this button can change to different mode. You can see this window is for the date, this window is for the week, and this bigger window is for the time. This here is the second. It is working now. Okay, we press this button to see the mode. Here now is the chronographic mode. Here is the 8L, is for the chronograph mode. Press again. Now is the time setting mode. We can use this upper and lower button to change and adjust the function. And press this button again. So now we turn back to the normal mode. If you want to see how to teach each single mode for the functions, we will have another videos to teach you. Now this watch is the color construct, the blue and the gold color case. And this 4 small button is silver color, and the bigger crown button is the same color as the case and the bezel. Now the case is gold color. And let's open the buckle. This is double folding buckle. And press these 2 buttons to open it. We can find the model number on the back case. Here is NF9190M for this model. Okay, I would like to push it on my leg on my wrist to show you. It's very fashion color, I like it. Okay, these models we have 6 colors. I will show you later. Hello, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this blue color. Then the next color I will show you is the black one. It's the same. We have a very nice Paris band in the case, and also the most special crystal diamond on the bezel. And press this button, we can see the very bright light. And this color we can find is only the bezel is black color, and other all is the silver color. Let's combine this silver one. This is the all silver color case. It's all in the all NAVIFORCE watch. Now we make the backs clear dial. It's this model. It's the blue light. Okay, here is the last 3 colors. This is the rose gold color case. The bezels and the dial we can see it's made with rose gold color. And also the crown is the same color with the bezel. And so also we can see this is something different on this rose gold colors. We make the construct color silver combine the rose gold on the band. And others is the salty color. This one is the color construct. Okay, let's have the next color. This is the gold color bezel. And also the band, it's silver combined the gold color. Okay, the last color is the gold color. We can see all these what is set the back case are made of gold color. Whatever the case, the bezel and the band. And the gold color is very gorgeous color. Okay, this is all for today. NF9190. Do you have the color you like? Come to our official store to buy it. Okay, see you next time. Bye.